So fine, you do the ups and down in the prime. Didn't you? People call, say, beware dog, you were a fan of fun, you thought they were all kidding you. And you used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging your next meal. How does it feel? And how does it feel without a home? Like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. You've gone to the finest school, alright, this moment, but you know you only used to get juiced in it. Nobody's ever taught you how to live out on the street, and now you're gonna have to get used to it. You say you never compromise with the mystery tramp, but now you realize he's not selling any alibis as you stare into the vacuum of his eyes and say, do you want to make a deal? How does it feel? How does it feel? Be on your own, with no direction home, a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. You never turn around to see that around on the jugglers and the clowns and the all dead tricks for you. You never understood that it ain't no good and you shouldn't let other people get your kicks for you. Used to ride on a chrome horse with your diplomat, and carried on his shoulder a Siamese cat. Ain't it hard when you discover that he really wasn't where it's at? And after he took from you everything he could steal, how does it feel? And how does it feel? Be on your own, with no direction home, a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Our friends sat on your steeple with all the pretty people all thinking that they got it made. Changing all precious gifts, but you better take your diamond ring, you better pawn it, babe. Used to be so new, Napoleon in rags and the language that he used. The ordinary calls you, you can't live. When When you ain't got nothing, you got nothing to lose. 'Cause you're invisible now. You got no secrets to conceal. How does it feel? And how does it feel? Be on your own. With no direction home. A complete unknown. Like a rolling stone.